Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Learn English with Shia. Lesson 80. Let's continue with me. In this lesson, we talk about present simple and present continuous. Compare between present simple and present continuous. Let's start. We use it if it's about now. Compare. Present simple, for example, I work. I usually do work. But present continuous, I'm working, which means I'm working now. You can say it with now or without now. You can say I'm working, it's a correct, and also that I'm working now. Also that is a correct. Formation, how do we form this tense? Present continuous, we have verb to be, is are, plus verb plus ing. We have subject at I. When we have subject at I, we use okay, plus verb plus ing. And then we have subject at he, she, it. We use s plus verb plus ing, and then we have subject we use they, we use are plus verb plus ing. You also need to know that we normally use short forms. Plus verb plus ing, is a short form. He is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. I'm watching this video now. Okay, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are. I'm watching this video now. It's a short form. Okay, say it in present continuous and use short forms. She teach English now. She is teaching. She's teaching English now. It happened right now. It is happening. It's happening right now. He have big problems. He is having big problems. We listen to our favorite song. We are listening. I see that she lied to us. She is lying. I see that she is lying to us. You explain these rules very clearly. You are explaining. I look at the slide. I am looking. I am looking at the slide. They train very intensively. They are training. I express my point of view. I am expressing. She listened to his speech. She is listening. She is listening to his speech. She is teaching English now. It's happening right now. He is having big problems. We are listening to our favorite song. I see that she is lying to us. You are explaining these rules very clearly. I'm looking at the slide. They are training very intensively. I'm expressing my point of view. She is listening to his speech. Okay, guys, and use short forms. It's all about present simple and present continuous. Compare between present simple and present continuous. I hope this lesson was a benefit for you guys. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below.